Hi there, Sean Vincent here. Back in 2014, I I was on stage as long as I'm quite lucky, but because I finally got a judges award. It was my special first time ever when I was with the SAC Anime. I just wear my cosplay is Ash Ketchum XY Virgins. I'm a Pokemon fan, but that is some kind of mistaken on that. uh, well, even I just been gone too far for when I was in the masquerade cosplay show for all the times where as long as I've been trying to prove for the audience. Well, I was so lucky for that as long as I made it just in time, as long as I made a cosplay and and the audience will also believe me if I should be pretty thankful of them. Anyway, just take a look at the video as long as you enjoy when I was on
Award goes
stage.
to a very special fan, somebody I've seen every single time. They're a very passionate fan. It is Pokemon fan. Come on out.
Sack Anime and Dreamland Rule!